What's going on, Mr. Dave up here in Escondido, and we are finishing up that crack repair job as you can see behind me right over there. And what we've done is we have covered it with the final texture coat, and that is the colored areas. The whole perimeter of this nice little backyard pool has been taped off, you can see, and it's a faux rock pool basically. The whole perimeter is faux rock. Then you have this structure. This is a 20-year-old water feature, so it has been around a while. The cracks, as you recall from other photographs and videos, ran right across here, and we've actually run rebar across those cracks, just sort of like a doctor stitches up a cut or surgery or something like that. Same thing here, here, and this one as well, all the way across. These are all areas that had cracks that needed attention and needed to be buttressed or stapled together, stitched, you might say, as well. So we've put on the good old plastic technique on the texture coat. This went on after the structural coat, which was just concrete, and we just covered up the rebar. We wanted to cut up cover up that steel so it will not rust. And then we just take regular old 6mm plastic and you wrinkle it up and kind of push it into the wet cement. We did it earlier without a release agent, and that is the area here that just used the plastic by itself. And then I remembered that I had some red colored release powder, and so we used that for the subsequent coats to get the plastic imprinted into the surface. And then once that's done, the cracks kind of give you an idea of the wrinkles give you an idea of where to put additional cracks. But you also have the cracks that we already put in the bigger texture coat, the bigger texture of the structural coat, the shotcrete, or not shotcrete, the concrete coat that we hand applied on this whole area. So we are going to be painting this, but we first have to wait for the rain to settle down. It's been a little wet, and so we're setting about letting it kind of dry out back here because it is rather moist. And we've got our scaffold system in the pool there with planks to walk around on. And so once we get this little area dried out, maybe a little taping areas that need it, pull the plastic up on the house so the house is protected from any overspray of paint. We'll start to spray it with our pump sprayers, and we make up the colors each and every day, each and every bottle almost. I mix them up in liters at a time, and then you will be ready to put the color on and finish it up. So that's how you do it, man. That's how you fix some of these older features that didn't cover the steel, and thus you have the cracking, which I've talked about over and over and over and over and over again. So this is again the Escondido job, crack repair, and we're just about ready for paint. So we're just gonna let the rain blow through, and we'll get that done here shortly. So anyway, Mr. Dave out here. Hey, be thankful, be forgiving. You do that really well, become an expert at it, and you will have a life full of joy and happiness. And we dig it because it's more fun being happy. So anyway, God bless you guys. More videos on and content on how we do this at www.hendersonarts.com, and you can check out instructional videos there with the links that will be shortly forthcoming. All right, Mr. Dave, thank you for watching, and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you can, if you want to, and see more cool stuff. All right, have a great day. God bless y'all. Bye.